presentation. Today we are discussing about design model in software engineering, presented by R. Kamini, K. Kamini, A. Pavithra, Department of Information Technology, Mentor J. Sankita, Associate Professor, Department of Information Technology. Design model. The design model can be viewed into two different dimensions, as the process dimensions indicates the evaluation of the design model as design task or executed as part of the software process. The abstraction dimensions represent the level of detail each element of the analysis model is transferred into a design equivalent and then refined iteratively. Designing a model is an important piece is a multi-process that represents the data structure, program structure, interface characteristics, and procedural details. It is mainly classified into four categories: data design, architectural design, interface design, and component level design. This is a figure of design model. Data design. Data design, sometimes referred to as data architecting, create a model of data and information that is represented at high level of abstraction, the customer and the user of a view of a data. The data design, it create a model of a data. The data model is then refined into progressively more implementation specific representation that can be processed by the computer based system. This model is then more refined into implementation specific representation which is processed by the computer based system. The structure of the data is the most important part of the software engineering. It has some level of program is component level, application level, business level. Architectural design. The architectural design for software is the equivalent to the floor of a house. The floor plan depicts the overall layout of the rooms, their size, shapes, and relationship to one another, the doors and windows that allow movement into the out of the rooms. Here, the architectural design elements we are simply considered view of the software. The floor plan gives us an overall view of the house. Architectural design elements gives us an overall view of the software. The architectural design element provides us an overall view of the system. The architectural design elements is generally represented as a set of interconnected subsystems that are derived from analysis packages in the requirement model. The architectural model is derived from three sources: information about the application to be built, specific requirements, model elements such as data flow diagrams or analysis classes, their relationship and collaboration for the problem at hand, availability of styles and patterns. The first one, information about the application to be built. It's what they need have some proper information. What's our main goal on the product, main goal of the software. Those information need to be there. After that, specific requirements. They have a clear understanding what client is expecting, their relationship and collaborations. Third one, availability of styles and patterns. This will tell about if any complexity occurs, they need to be follow some patterns and they need to apply some styles. These are all the architectural design. User interface design. The interface design for software is analogous to a set of detailed drawings and specification for the doors, windows, external utilities of a house. These drawings depict the size, shape of a doors, windows, and the manner in which they operate, the way in which utility connections come into house or distributed among the rooms depicted in the floor plan. Interface design model, we have the main target to this good user experience. That means there is no proper interface, how much high in technology we have been used, also that is worthless. That why we keep in mind these three important elements in the interface design. The user interface, second one external interface to other systems, devices, networks or other producers and consumers of information. Third one internal interface between the various design components. Hopefully this presentation help you to learn the design model. Thank you for taking the time to listen.